Let's learn about tenses. Astrologer Tota tells us about the past, the present, and the future. Let us look at these sentences again and find the verbs. He played in a cot. He plays in school. He will play in a stadium. Here, played, plays, and play are the verbs. We know that a verb is an action word. But did you know that a verb can also tell us when the action takes place? If it was in the past, the present, or in the future. That's where tenses come in. Tense of a verb tells us when the action takes place. For example, the verb played is in the past tense. This tells us that the action took place in the past. The verb plays is in the present tense. And will play is in the future tense. Let us look at some more examples. Rajni saved his friends. Rajni saves his friends. Rajni will save his friends. The verb saved is in past tense. The verb saves is in present tense and will save is in the future tense. Let's take one more example. Dhanush's family liked his music. Dhanush's friends like his music. Dhanush's fans will like his music. The verbs liked, like, and will like also tell us when the action took place. Here are some more examples of verbs in past, present, and future tense. Jumped, jumps, will jump. Talked, talks, will talk. Walked, walks, will walk. Brushed, brushes, will brush. Worked, works, will work.
Children, take page number 40. Lesson 13. Simple present tense. Tense means time. Simple present tense is used to express habitual action or to state universal facts. So what do you mean by habitual actions? The postman delivers letters. It is his habitual action. He delivers letters. That means he delivers it every day. We play cricket. That means we play cricket every day. Dog barks loudly. I drink a glass of milk every day. My mother cooks tasty food. All the words given in bold letters in the above statements are verbs. These verbs are in simple present tense. Verbs may or may not end in S or ES depending on its subject. So, according to the subject, that means postman delivers letters. Delivers is the verb. Then which is the subject of the sentence? That is the postman. The postman, so you have to identify the subject of the sentence and see that subject is singular or plural. The subject, if the subject is singular, you need to add S to the verb. Here, we play cricket. Here, we is plural. We is the subject and it is plural. So, with the verb, no S. So, if the subject is singular, we need to add S to the verb. If the subject is plural, no need of adding S. No need of writing S. Just write the verb itself. Okay. So, verbs end in S or ES with he, she, it, Raj, seems, dog, cat, etc. Then, verbs do not end in S or ES with I, we, you, they, the boys, the girls, etc. Keep in mind, Simple present tense is also used to make general statements. So we already said habitual actions, universal facts or general statements. Examples: the teacher teaches the class. The sun rises in the east. The baby cries loudly. I sleep at 9 p.m. every day. The verbs teaches, rises, cries, sleep are in the simple present tense. So one thing you have to remember, if the subject is singular, there will be s with the verb. If the subject is plural or I, you, whatever, no need of adding s. Okay. Underline the verbs in simple present tense in the following sentences. First one, lion lives in a den. So you have to underline the verbs in simple present tense. Lion lives in a den. Answer is lives. The postman washes the clothes. Washes. So from 3 onwards you have to do. We will discuss the answers during live class. Then tick the correct verbs. Here you have to tick the correct verbs. First one, Ria eats or eat an apple every day. Ria, singular or plural? Singular. So with the singular we need to add s to the verb. So Ria eats. Ria eats an apple every day. Second one, the baby smile or smiles at her mother. The baby. Singular, so answer is smiles. Then third one, they talks rudely with everyone. Subject is they and it is plural. So answer is talk. If the subject is plural, no yes with the verb. So the answer is they talk. They talk rudely with everyone. So balance you have to do. Okay. Then exercise C. Fill in the blanks with the verbs in simple present tense. Pick the words from the box. First one, I dash my elders. Answer is I respect my elders. I respect my elders. Then second one, birds dash in the sky. Birds fly in the sky. So balance you have to do. So do this exercise A, B and C and we will discuss the answers during live class. Study well. Thank you. Have a nice day.